औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम टाटो बच्चों सवाल क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ए रेक्टेंगल whose side is 3 centimeters and 50 centimeters अस लिखो सॉल्यूशन एरिया ऑफ ए रेक्टेंगल सह बराबर लेंथ इंटू ब्रेडथ सह गो बराबर 3 सेंटीमीटर ज़रबे 50 सेंटीमीटर सह गो 1500 सेंटीमीटर। दोयम सवाल क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 बुब्रियो if the area of a square is A is 600 square centimeters, if the area of square B is 30 square centimeter, find the number of square types of B obtained from A. Let's look at solution. Tato Gobio number of squares SQUA squares of type B go area of square A you asan ha go bata area of square B area of square B go area of square it's wana find the number of squares of types obtained from square A. Go area of square A but area of square B. So asan barabar area of square A sharashat square centimeter sharashat square centimeter bata goes 40 square centimeter is 0 to is 0 cut 4 चुके 16 सो 40 so is equal to 40 square centimeter. Question number 3 to last. If the area of a rectangle is diet square and the length of a rectangle 50 centimeter, then find the width of the rectangle. As like a solution at Gubrio area of a area sorry as width 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 of a rectangle rectangle a rectangle is equal to barabar asan area of rectangle area of a rectangle rectangle bata length of rectangle length of a rectangle rect so go barabar area of rectangle kota area of rectangle 250 square centimeter zat 50 square centimeter bata acha length of rectangle is 25 centimeter bata 25 centimeter so go 25 kaya 25 daya so go 10 centimeter answer आज गए अमृत क्वेश्चन बाकी करो सुबह इंशाल्लाह।